up, YouTube? Listen, family, class will be in session today. I got to teach you a couple little secrets about the market that I need you to know when you're doing your daily trading, okay? I got a jam-packed video for you, so please keep it locked. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Guys, you already know my favorite part of the video is loving and celebrating you guys. Kicking it off is Laren. Here we go. AMD 195, Google 414, Nvidia 3,964, QQQ $30, Tesla 38.75, TSM $70. Days total gain. Laren, if you see this, $8,548.75. His non-winners were ARM 3 contracts. He said he had a bad injury and holding over. Okay, look at this and look at you guys, man. Again, I couldn't be more proud of just the progression I'm seeing. Around here, we get 1% better each day. Okay, Laren, this is my guy right here, man. I just spoke to him, and I'm proud of him because he was eager when he called me, and he didn't waste no time getting to it. Way to get busy, man. Check this one out. Lynn, she said, thank you so much. She titled this Great Week for your great teachings. I love how you explain everything. I am really getting so much better at timing my entries. Blessings to you and the family. Best week ever. I still used to do one contract at a time, but I may be ready to add. Thanks again. But what I love about Lynn, major salute if you happen to see this. Phenomenal job this week, guys. She sent me her portfolio. She absolutely crushed it this week. But check this out. Look at this last sentence. She said, I still usually do one contract, but I may be ready to add. I love that she's running her race at her pace. I love that she started off with one contract, which is what everybody that rocks with me do. I do the same thing. We're consistent around here. We all start with one contract. Okay. Once your feet get wet, once you get the losses and the lessons out the way, over time, guys, we graduate to maybe 3 contracts, okay? And then once we get the hang of 3 contracts, then we move to 5 contracts. Lynn is already speaking about being ready to add more because she's seeing through her system and through her consistency the ability to be able to make even more. Just what she's currently doing. All she gotta do is add more contracts, and I love this. But run your race at your pace. Phenomenal job this week. Reflect on this. Follow the teachers I'm gonna show you guys today. You're gonna love this video I got for you. And then let's get ready to run it back next week, okay? And then look at this. Shatona, I'm so proud of her too. She said, another win, coach. Intel did it, coach. You called it 2 months ago, and it's finally moving. 5K on wins this month on Intel. I'm so excited, and thank you. Now, I'm proud of her. Listen, look at this. Okay, we look at this together. These are daily testimonials, guys. When you come around here, I gotta love on you. I don't care nothing about what no hater just talking about. I gotta love on you guys, and I look forward to doing it, and I'll take all the backlash every day of the week. Listen to this, though. 5K on wins this month. So this is a phenomenal month. But she been kicking Intel butt. She found her horse. She's found something she can make money with. Now, mind you, she ain't gonna stick with this forever. But for this, she's found the rhythm. She's found the behavior. She's found the fluctuation of how this moves. She's got it. And this is what I try to tell you guys. I often try to show you guys 1 or 2 plays I do so that you guys psychologically be like, man, coach always play Apple, or coach be killing it with Apple. I kill it with a lot of other plays, but I want you to see one play can do all the work. Apple makes me my 100K every year, whether it go up or down. If it's a down year and the stock is going down, I'm making money to the downside. If it's going up, I'm making money to the upside. Intel is doing that same thing for Shatona, and I love it because, again, she's not all over the place chasing and having to do too much. This is what it's about, okay? So listen, guys, major salute this week. I told you I couldn't wait to get back so I can celebrate and love with you guys. I got plenty more. So if you did your thing this week, let me know down in the comments below. But more importantly, be in the Discord first thing in the morning so we could do it all again. on Monday. Okay, now check this out, guys. I'm going to pull out the charts real quick because I got a lesson to teach you all on today. Okay, this is going to be a good one. Class is in session, so please take some notes on this for me. Okay, all right, check this out, guys. All right, we start with the 1 day time frame. This is the SPY. This is the lesson I want you guys to see. Okay, it's currently sitting at 559. They're trying to keep it under 560. Okay, so resistance is here. Okay, they're keeping us under 560. So if we get above 560, we taking off to 565, 570. Okay, that's how that works. But look at a couple of things that they are showing us. Okay, look at this candle right here, guys. Do you guys see this level of rejection? You see this candle get pushed down there. Boom. That means when we went up, they pushed it down. Number two, that's just something to make note of. Here's the lesson right here. Let me clean this up. We keep a clean chart around here. Look at this. You guys see this area high, this top right here? That was once resistance. Okay, that was once resistance or a top. Okay, what's significant about that, coach? The thing that's significant about this is this. This is how you know where a stock is going to come back to. I want you guys to always know this from this day forward. You guys need to know when the stock go up, where is it coming back to? It's coming back to the recent high. The last level of resistance is what it's going to come back to. That's 548, just so you guys know. Okay, you might can round that to 550 if you want to be clean, but 548 so you get the best entry. So when this runs up, boom, boom, boom. Say this comes back, it's going to come down to this level right there and then potentially bounce. Okay. Or if it breaks, look at this. You see this level right here? This is the bottom half of that. And guess what that comes to? That comes to 537, 538. Okay. So you can either see it come back down to this range or this range right here before going back up. Or if it fails at this level, then boom, that's how you get the move back down. Okay, something I wanted to point out for you guys so that you can know. I'm gonna clean this up. You need to know the recent breakout high, boom, is where the stock will come back to on a pullback. Okay, if it breaks that, then it's going to pull back to this bottom level of the high, and ironically, guys, it lined up right with this blue line right here. That's the 48 EMA. Okay, that's how these things work. So this line is going to keep curling up, curling around to what? It's going to be right there, spot on. So sometimes I'll tell you guys, wait for the pullback. That's your entry. Okay, wait for the pullback, because boom, you get that explosive move, and that's where all the money is at. Okay, just wanted to put that lesson on you guys and share that with you so that just in case you don't know how it works and where a stock is going to pull back to, you can now use this lesson from the chart to kind of see, all right, coach told me about the previous resistance is where it's going to come back to. But how do I find that? When you're looking at your chart, you just go look for the peak, the height of where the candle was at. They're going to always target that. And if first it's going to chill there for a minute, just like I talked to you guys about 3 tests of something like a resistance, and before you break through, it'll come back there, test it, and then sometimes it fails, then it's going to fall to that next level. Okay, that's how that happens. But that's why you always got to have 2 or 3 levels of support so that you know it's coming down, not to panic, but this is how you make the most money on a pullback. That's why I like you guys to buy. That's how the money team crushes it, because we primarily buy pullbacks, and when we catch them, we get the full move when these stocks take off. And when that's up or down, okay, it don't matter the direction, but it's just the system, it's the way of doing things. Okay, so listen, guys, Tom Lee put out some stocks that he said is going to run. Okay, and number one, stock he said that you guys need to have on your radar is SMCI, Super Micro Computer. Look at this guy sitting at $910 today. Is up 225%. That's a double up, triple up on your money if you had this. But guess what? It's going higher. Okay, this is one of those ones. He's one of the guys in the game that I don't like a lot of people on Wall Street, and I don't listen to a lot of people on Wall Street. I've been rocking with him since day one. He's one of the ones I listen to. He's one of the ones that's consistent and consistently on point. Okay, this is one he put on your radar, guys, that he believes will take off, will take part when the small caps wake up. This will be the one leading the Russell 2000 higher. Speaking of the Russell 2000 or the IWM, if you want to play this and you don't want to play the individual stock, or you just want to be in it, Russell is about to wake up. Okay, whether it's in 3 months, in 6 months, or 9 months, when they start cutting rates, okay, it's only up 7%, and look at how much SMCI was up 225%. So an individual stock can do its thing way more than an index, but this gives you SMCI and all the other small cap companies that has room to run in a more safer way. So if you don't have the IWM next to your VTI or your VOO or your SMH, consider adding this. It's only up 7% today. It got at least another 13 to 20% to go for over the next 12 months. Okay, that's a nice return if you can get this, especially if you get a pullback down in under 200 or around 200. It's even more of a move when this goes to 225, 230, 245, 250-ish. Okay, just something to keep in mind, just something I want on your radar. Okay, listen guys, hopefully you guys are enjoying your weekend, but more importantly, you're preparing for another phenomenal week with your boy. Coach is excited about all of you and your entire journey, the lessons, the wins, the whole nine. Okay, if you are ready to make some money this week, let me know down in the comments below. Either get in the Discord or consider joining the money team. The link for both is in the description below. Okay, listen guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.